This is a $25 business that literally anyone can start and start to get that six-figure per year business set up from the very scratch, right? Hi everyone, my name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you step-by-step process what I actually followed for me to start generating six figures from this actual online business, right? My name is Sanjeev, and if this is the very first time you're coming to my channel, subscribe, as I'm a six-figure earner and I help people to start and grow their business from the very scratch, right? So as you can see, this is a $25 business model which I actually invested, right? And within a very short amount of time, now I'm able to help people all around the world to actually do the same, to get that financial freedom, be able to spend more quality time with the kids and family, and to be able to enjoy, or if they're also looking for plan B, this can be a great alternative, right? So you might be asking, what is this $25 business and what do you actually get from this amazing $25, right? So in this business model, there's two options that you can get started with, right? The first one is a $25 that you can literally get started with, and with the $25 package that you start to earn $20 commission, right? And after that, there's another package which is $125, and from that you earn $100 commission, right? So here's how I've actually broken down all the figures so you can start to see how this income can start to make a huge difference in your life, whatever you're doing now, right? So $25 business which pays you $20 in commission, and you need 2 sales, and you will be earning $40 in recurring commission month after month, right? Which is really, really awesome, right? So you just need to have 2 sales, and that way you can earn $40 ongoing payment month after month, right? And if you get started with the $125 one, you earn $100 commission, right? That means you need only get 2 sales, which will have you earning $200 recurring commission month after month, year after year, right? So which is just awesome, right? And that's how I actually look at it. A business that I want to start and to grow it to 6 or 7 figures a year, which is like really awesome. And the cost to get started is very, very low, right? So the 3-step plan, which I actually broken it down, right? So if I look at the 3-step plan, right? So it's very simple how everything is set up in this business model. So the 3-step plan to work with this business model is very, very simple, right? Is to get your business profitable in a very short amount of time, right? We have people in a community who haven't seen success in the online business, right? And they start to see success within a very short amount of time because of the amount of support and the community we also have, right? To be able to help each and every single one of you, right? So, and help you achieve your financial freedom with the recurring income system that we have here, right? And get unlimited income for life skills. So you can take this training and pretty much you can promote this actual system, or you can also be promoting any other system that you want using this same strategy and system. And we have about 6,000 members in the community who are actually getting results, like they're earning big commissions like me on an ongoing basis. And a lot of people have also quit their job, utilizing the same system that I'm sharing with you right now, right? So which is just awesome, right? New members joining this amazing system every single day, people getting huge amount of success. We have 11 mastermind calls every single week, right? 11 mastermind calls. So you can just speak to the owners, and he's Mike. There's another owner. There's 2 owners. There's Mike and Paul, and they're always there to help, guide, and support each and every single one of you, every single step of the way, right? So now you must be asking, like, how does it work, right? So I'll quickly share with you what do you actually get from this actual system, and very quickly you can be profitable, right? So one sale per week can turn into $74,000, 800 a year, right? How many business do you know just from one sale per week will get you this amount of money, which is awesome, right? 2 sales per week can turn into $149,000 a year, guys. 3 sales and you well over $200,000. You know, you have to need to have a lot of degree for you to be earning this amount of sales income every single year. And because of the system that's in place, which is pretty much, it converts so well, right? I haven't seen any system like this out there that's converting so well. And pretty much I make sales when I'm sleeping, because most of the sales is done when I'm sleeping, and when I wake up it's already set up and it's really automated. You start to get sales once you start to plug into this amazing system, right? And now I'll guide you like what this actual product is, how you can get started with this amazing system so you can start to generate that additional side income and be able to quit your job. Or even if you are someone who actually loves your job, you can still do your job and this business will be running for you on autopilot, right? So I'll share with you, if you're watching this video, what you need to do is go beneath this video, right beneath this video, there's going to be a link there, and all you have to do is just click that link, right? It's going to be the very first link here. So you're going to click that link and then you're going to enter the actual business model, right? So this is the business that I'm talking about now, right? It's a $25 business, right? And what you do is just click yes, I want in, right? And you enter all your details here and make sure it's all the correct details, because all the password and everything will be sent to you, right? To log into this amazing system. You enter your details, and also the company gives you free bonus, right? So it's a 2 weeks trial that you're actually gonna get. So you can get started with the $100. Remember what I told you, $100. I mean, to get started with this option 1, we'll give you $25 one, we'll give you $20 commission, but the company also give you option for free for 2 weeks. So that's the one that I started with, is the $125 one, but I click this box so you can get a trial for 14 days, right? So again, once you click this box, you get started for literally $25 and you'll get access to this system, right? So this is the actual system that I'm promoting, right? So this is a funnel builder. It will teach you how to build your funnel, and also we have all this done for you funnel on the inside, right? So if you're not a technical person, I actually set up the funnel for my team, so you can literally get started to promote the system, right? So this is a done for you funnel, right? But you don't need to be a tech savvy person. As with anything, I actually set up everything for my team, right? So if you're a complete newbie, you can just plug into the system, right? So this is the one product. It pays you $20 commission, right? And the free one that you're gonna get free trial for, it pays you $100 commission, right? So, and this goes over how you can actually get traffic into your funnel, which is just awesome. We have mastermind calls every single day for 11 mastermind calls in a week, right? So that's ongoing training that you're going to get, right? So this is all the daily coaching calls that you're going to get access to, which is awesome how everything is set up in this business model. And there's 6,000 members in the community that you're going to get real access to, right? It's awesome how everything is set up. And so if you're someone who's thinking about starting your online business, I'll be there to support, guide you every single step of the way. I'll leave all the details in the link below. And also in the coming video, I'll be sharing with you how you can actually get the traffic into your funnel, how to actually set up an autoresponder step by step. So if you're a complete beginner, you can just follow this mini guide that I'm doing. This is the day one video, and in the next coming video, I'll be putting more content on this channel. So you can go and I'll put everything on my playlist so you can get access to it. And I cannot wait to help you to start your building a six-figure income business from the comfort of your home. So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you all. Bye for now. Thank you.